going to teach you how to make a tutorial on how to make a paper airplane. So then, first you will want to fold it long ways up, like that. Then, you'll want to also unfold it, then fold it this way, like sideways, like so. Then, you would want to fold it this way again, on the opposite side, so it would be like this. And then, you would want to fold it sideways. Then, after that, you want to do this. You would want to fold it just like this. Then, you would want to fold it the opposite way. So you would want to fold it that way. Then, you would fold it this way. Well, on the other side, well, it looks like, wait 1 second. Well, it looks like this. So, it'd be looking like that. Then, you would fold it again, just like this. So, it would look like that so far. Then, this is the last part. You will fold it down just like this. Then, you will want to do it on the other side. Well, it looks like this. Then, you just have to unfold it. Well, it looks like this. And then that is how you make a paper airplane. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to teach you next. See ya. Bye.